Hi guys, it's Travis in Chicago, and I just wanted to show you a handful of things here. So, pretty simple with the furnace, just an 80% efficient furnace. However, we had a creative homeowner that lived here before us. So, basically, we're considering AC, maybe just furnace. Big problem, and I'm going to go to the other side, but big problem is that it's being fed through the back. Okay. So thinking that we could do a lift the furnace and put a bottom return in here, like a load bearing return, and then keep it in the same direction. If we turned it, there'd only be 10 inches of space between the wall and the furnace. So that's not really good. So you have a coil on top here, and then you have this plenum above it. So I'm thinking to not worry about the humidifier that's on the side for now, and just be able to move this up and do a transition basically up here. So that's one thing. But then we have old gas pipe here that's going to black pipe. Okay. Sorry it's so close. I'm using the light. And I'm going to go around the other side. Another issue here on this side while I'm here is we have a line set going right out the side of the house right here. The disconnect box, the air conditioner is right outside the side. The disconnect box is over there. Disconnect box is like right over here, like 20 feet away, 15 feet away. So it's quite a distance, not to code. So this has to be addressed some way or another if she decides to change the air conditioning. Now, one thing, let me finish with the furnace. So on this side of the furnace, you can see the return going in the back here. Okay. And the humidifier going in the back. Well, the bypass is coming from the return, and the humidifiers into the plenum of the supply. On this side, it's just a flat return. And then it starts getting creative up here. There's a register above the furnace, above the coil. So basically I'm thinking getting rid of this whole thing and the humidifier and worrying about where to put the humidifier later. And she's not 100% set on needing or wanting it anyway, so let's not worry about that as a first thought. Now, with the air conditioner, there is the old line set and the old wire. So that actually goes to where on the outside, and I'll show pictures of that, but that leads to where the air conditioner used to be, where it should be, and near the disconnect box. So I'm hopeful on this. So if this line set doesn't work here, then there's basically have to do construction to get to it, which is no bueno. And then the electric is behind that painting in the corner. So it's not an easy run for a new electric panel, and it's far away from the furnace too. So, and the whole basement is finished. So options are kind of limited. So thank you.